everyone. Today I want to talk about why products from China are cheaper than other products. You may know or not, China has over thousands of factories where hundreds of thousands of people are thrown into forced labor camps. China declared that it will be the world's dominant producer by 2025. At the same time, China continues its genocide against Uyghurs and other Turkic people in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan and transfers millions of innocent Uyghurs into forced labor camps. Millions of Uyghurs are forced to leave their families and loved ones. Families are being torn apart by the Chinese government. In the forced labor camps, people are forced to work long hours in inhuman conditions for almost no pay. They are not allowed to cry or scream. If they scream, the only people who hear them are prison guards. The people in those camps are humans, just like you and me. Please be a voice for those voiceless people and don't simply stand by doing nothing. Let's together boycott China. This is not only helps the voiceless people, but also helps our countries where we are living today. Because of the cheap forced labor camps and its products, millions of people left jobless, and we are all helping the tyranny government like China. I really want to say today, this Christmas is coming soon, and this time of Christmas will be very different because of the China virus. Christmas is a time for giving. The endless Christmas lists are testament to that. Undoubtedly, people think of their families at this time of year. There is nothing quite like seeing your child smile when they see the Christmas tree lit up. But when the purse strings are already tight, charitable giving and helping others can often be the last thing to think of. So what about giving to those who really need it? May you know and live the true spirit of Christmas, which is love, hope, and giving. This is time we are all together to give love and hope to voiceless, hopeless Uyghurs and other Turkic people in East Turkestan by simply boycotting Chinese products. I just want to say and talk about few biggest products, and it really helps Chinese government to oppress all of the people under the Chinese oppression. First off, the Huawei is the biggest spy company who works for CCP very closely because Huawei is a Chinese Communist Party's company. And also I am going to talk about Apple products. I want to ask everyone, simply boycott Apple products and Nike, also Coca-Cola. Apple's company, Nike company and Coca-Cola company are lobbying to stop Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act in US. And they already start to against Uyghur Forced Labor Camps Act. I know everyone loves to buy Apple products, but don't forget that Apple company, also Nike and Coca-Cola company, they start their action and to stop the bill which helps to stop forced Uyghur labors. I am not surprised about this. In front of the money, most people never think about their value, morality, and their expectations. Also, they don't want to think about the way they want to live and their children want to live. I also say that please boycott Zara, Volkswagen, Puma, or we can say Puma, Adidas products. When you buy anything from the store, please simply check where the products come from. It's made in China or made in People Republic of China. Freedom comes when we stop accepting and helping tyranny and challenge who would preserve it. I am going to end my speech today with one very powerful quote. But this quote is not mine. A little light draw away so much darkness, but when light is joined to light, yours to mine, mine to others, dance of flame, each so small and intricately so beautiful, yet together, dance of flame, it will show that hope is no longer an illusion. Evil, injustice, cruelty do not have the final words. So I hope